Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be guiding you through the process of creating dependencies between subtasks on Asana. This is a quick and efficient way to ensure your tasks are completed in the right order, improving your project management skills. Let's dive right in. First off, go to your Asana project. Click on a task that has subtasks. This is where we'll create the dependency. The reason we're starting here is that we want to make sure the subtasks are reliant on each other, ensuring the correct order of completion. Now that we've done that, click on the subtask you want to depend on another subtask. On the right-hand side, click More Actions, then click Add Dependency. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. You're essentially instructing Asana to wait for one subtask to be completed before starting another. Next up, search for the second subtask in the Add a Dependency search bar. Select the subtask. This helps us because it visually links the two subtasks together, creating a clear pathway of what needs to be done first. Now that you've created a dependency, you'll notice a symbol next to your subtask. This symbol shows that your subtask is waiting on another task. Let me explain why this matters. This symbol helps you, your team, and any potential collaborators understand the sequence of tasks, avoiding confusion and enhancing productivity. Finally, repeat the process for all other subtasks that require dependencies. Remember, maintaining a clear sequence of tasks will help you and your team complete the project efficiently. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create dependencies between subtasks on Asana, skyrocketing your project management skills. Remember, dependencies are the key to keeping your tasks in check and your projects running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.